Hi guys, Kat here. What I have here is some boiling water. I'm boiling some water to make some brine for pickling fruit. So, boiled water. I have about 5 cups of water here. I'm going to add to it some salt. Maybe 2 tablespoons. Sugar. 1, 2, let's start with 3. And vinegar. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I want to dissolve everything. And give it a little taster. Just the right amount of salt, saltiness, sweetness, and the vinegar, a little bit of the sour vinegar. Okay, that's good. I'm going to add maybe 1 more tablespoon of sugar. Okay. Okay, so I got some garlic, about 4 cloves cut into halves, and some chili pepper, optional for some color. Dump that in there. Turn off our heat. And taste it again. I'm going to add some MSG. That's totally optional, okay guys? Add about a teaspoon. Okay, so then we want to remove it and just let this completely cool down before we use it, alright? These are the fruits I'm going to pickle. I have here cherry plums, green plums, and green almonds, young green almonds, the ends cut, both ends cut. Okay, so green almonds, cherry plum, and green plums. Okay, so you need a container, a jar like this. I'm just using a mason jar. Okay, fill it up with the fruits and with our brine that's cooled down. Go ahead and pour it in it. All the way up. Okay, cover it. And this can be left on the counter for a couple days until it's pickled to your preference, okay? So just leave it on your counter for a couple of days. It will depend also on the weather, so if it's warmer weather, it will pickle faster. If not, just let it sit until it's ready. Okay? Okay guys, so this has been sitting on the counter for 5 days and it's done. It's done pickling. I don't know if you can tell, the brine is kind of murky and the fruits have somewhat turned a yellowish color, yellowish green. Okay. Oops, let's crack that. And let's see the smell. It smells pickled. Let's give it a try. Some almonds, plums. Where's the cherry plum? Here it is. Okay. And squeezing it, it's still firm. Same with the green plum and the green almond. Get some more green almond. Okay, and you can just now eat it plain by itself like this. Try the green almond. Hear that? It's still crunchy. It's perfect, right amount of tartness. The pickling, the brine, the flavor, perfect. And try the green plum next. Okay, you can just eat it plain itself like this, or I made some sauce to go with it. This is a pepper sauce with roasted rice powder, chili powder, MSG, and Padek or fish sauce. Okay. Come here. My mouth is salivating already. Okay. Still crunchy, but it's really good. It's just gonna make good when you're craving something sour, something like, you know, instead of a pickle or something, just try these. Really good. Okay? I'm gonna get cherry plum. Because the cherry plums were already sour, more sour than the almond and the green plum. This is more sour pickled. But it's still good. Still good. Pepper. So there you go, guys. That's how you pickle green almonds and green plums and cherry plums. So right now, you can go ahead and refrigerate it because you want to stop it from pickling any further, okay? So it will be good in the fridge up to 3 to 4 months. But I doubt this dress will last me 3 to 4 months. It's gonna go fast because I love pickle stuff like this. All right? So it is pickle, almonds, green plums, and cherry plum. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.